Welcome to this gentle, beginner-friendly seated yoga practice. We'll begin right away, so find your seat on your mat, spine nice and tall. Take a deep breath in, sweep the arms out and all the way up towards the sky. As you exhale, bring your hands to your heart center into prayer. And take another deep breath in, reach your arms up overhead. As you exhale, bring your right hand all the way down to the earth. And big breath into your left fingertips. As you exhale, lean your torso over to your right and your mount. Keep your left hip grounded and feel the stretch in your left side body. One more breath in. And now as you exhale, slowly bring your gaze down over to your right and come on down onto your forearms and folding your torso down to the earth and stay here for one breath. Inhale. And then long, sweet exhale out and relax the muscles in your face and your shoulders and your heart. Beautiful. And then on your next inhalation, slowly crawl your torso all the way up back to center, facing forward, hands on your knees. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Big breath in, sweep the arms out and all the way up. As you exhale, left hand comes down to the earth. And inhale to your right fingertips. As you exhale, lean over to your left and your mount. And this time, right hip grounded. Inhale. And then exhale out. Empty all the air out. And one more beautiful breath in. As you exhale, slowly bring your gaze down onto the earth to your left and come on down onto your forearms and fold over to the earth. And stay there for a couple of more breaths. Inhale. And then as you exhale, relax your hips and relax your shoulders. And relax your face as well. And another deep breath in. And then long side it out. And on your next inhale, slowly curl your torso all the way up to center, facing forward. Nice job. And now bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. And then take a deep breath in, open your arms out and pull your heart forward. As you exhale, chin to chest and extend your arms out in front of your body, palms facing down. Inhale, open your arms out, heart forward. As you exhale, chin to chest, run through your spine, extend your arms out in front. Big breath in, open your arms out, heart forward. As you exhale, chin to chest, run through your spine, arms out in front of your body. And then inhale, let your fingers and flip your palms out. And then as you inhale, start lifting your arms all the way up towards the sky, palms facing up. As you exhale, chin to chest, extend your arms out in front. Pull your core in. Big breath in, reach your arms up overhead. As you exhale, release your hands and lower your arms to your shoulder height. Palms facing out. Big breath in. As you exhale, press your hands away from each other. And then start making some circles with your arms, feeling your shoulders and shoulder joints. And then reverse that directions. And then come back to center and bring your hands onto your knees. And then start shimmying your shoulders however you want to. Okay, come back to center and make your way onto your hands and knees. bringing your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And go ahead, shift your hips from side to side several times. You can look over your shoulders, feeling your glutes and your hips. Relax your face. And then come back to center to neutral tabletop pose. And tuck your toes under. And open your fingers nice and wide. And lift your hips up and back to downward facing dog. Relax your neck and head between your upper arms. And then start to pedal out your dog. Feeling your hamstrings and your calves and your ankles. And keep breathing nice and easy. Find your own speed and your own rhythm to your own body. And come back to center and bring your right ankle behind your left wrist and sink your left knee all the way down to your mat and walk your left toes backwards and your mount as you lower your hips all the way down to the earth. And release your left foot and plant your hands wherever you feel the most comfortable. And inhale, lift your torso and your mount. And as you exhale, fold over to the earth. Come on down onto your forearms with your hands together into prayer. Or bring your hands into fists and stack them and bring your forehead on those stacked fists. Or extend your arms out in front and bring your forehead onto the earth. And right away, drop your whole body weight to the earth. And feel the stretch in your right hip and your right glute areas. And soften the muscles in your face. And soften the shoulders. And soften your heart. And soften your hips. And place your hands underneath your shoulders and press yourself halfway up and roll onto your right butt cheek and come to a seated pose. Bring your right foot to your left inner thigh and left leg extended in front of your body and flex toes. Big breath in, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, fold over your leg and your mount. Feel free to grab your foot. If that's not happening, totally okay. Place your hands onto your thigh or shin and feel free to bend in the knee. Inhale. As you exhale, fold deeper to the ground. And keep breathing nice and easy. Feeling this beautiful stretch in your hamstring and your back body. And on your next inhale, slowly curl your torso all the way up to a seated pose once again. And then go ahead and turn your body to the front of your mat as you come into your hands and knees. And then tuck your toes under, lift your hips up, and press back to downward facing dog. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And slowly bring your left ankle behind your right wrist, and then sink your right knee down, and walk your right toes backwards and your mount to feel the most beautiful stretch in your left glute, and release your right foot. And then take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine, lifting your torso off the mat and your mount. As you exhale, fold over. Come on down onto your forearms with your palms together, or stack your hands, or stack those fists. Bring your forehead on those stacked hands, or extend your arms out in front of your body. Bring your forehead all the way down on your mat. And right away, release your whole body weight to the earth. There is no resistance between you and the earth. Let the earth have you, and let the earth support you and comfort you. Nice. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders and press yourself halfway up. And now roll onto your left butt cheek. Extend your right leg in front. Flex your toes and your left foot to your right inner thigh. Inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, fold over your right leg and your mount. And feel free to bend your right knee. And stay here for several breaths with love and patience. Inhale to your lungs. As you exhale, let all the air out of your body as you release tension in your mind to the earth. One more breath in. And then one beautiful cleansing breath out. Nice. And now, on your next inhale, slowly curl your torso all the way up. As you exhale, relax your shoulders down. Beautiful. Nice job. And now turn your body to the front of your mat. Come back to your hands and knees and tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up and press back to downward facing dog. Huge breath in. And then long side it out and let go. Relax your neck and head. Pull your core in. Another breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your knees all the way down to the earth and untuck your toes and open your knees wide apart. Big toes come to touch. Bring your forehead all the way down to child's pose. Go ahead, walk your hands over to your right and your mount. Maybe feel free to bring your left hand on top of your right. Feeling your left side body stretch. Inhale. As you exhale, relax your hips down to feel more stretch in your left side body. And then walk your hands to the center and all the way over to your right. And maybe bring your right hand on top of your left this time. Inhale. As you exhale, relax your hips down once again. Nice. And now walk your hands back to center. And then slowly curl your torso all the way up as you inhale. And then relax your shoulders down as you exhale. Beautiful. And now find your easy seated pose with your legs crossed in front of your body. Bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. As you inhale, open your arms out. And now as you exhale, we're going to wrap around arms with your right arm on top of your left. And find your eagle arms. Tops of your hands together or palms together. Relax your shoulders. And pull your hands away from your face. As you inhale, lift your gaze up and elbows up. As you exhale, chin to chest, round through your spine, fold over to the earth. Inhale, lifting your gaze up, elbows up, and your mount. As you exhale, round through your spine, fold over to the earth. Inhale to lift your gaze and your elbows up. As you exhale, chin to chest, round through your spine, fold over. Inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, release your arms to the outside and second side. And now left arm on top of your right. Palms together or tops of your hands together. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, lift your elbows up. As you exhale, elbows down, chin to chest, bow down to the earth. Big breath in, lifting your elbows up and gaze up, maybe slight back bend if you want. As you exhale, chin to chest, run through your spine, maybe touch the earth with your fingertips. Big breath in, gaze up and lift your elbows up towards the sky. As you exhale, chin to chest, run through your spine, touch the earth. And then inhale, elbows up. As you exhale, go all the way down to the earth. And inhale, come back to center. As you exhale, release your arms and bring your hands onto your thighs. Huge breath in. And then long exhale out. Beautiful. Go ahead, bring your left hand onto your chest and right hand onto your belly. Feeling your heart massage to your left palm and gentle rises and falls onto your right hand. And close your eyes. And we're gonna stay here for a couple of moments to feel any sensations in your body or any space that you created from this practice. And let's honor that space, the new space for something better, something lighter coming in. Inhale. And then exhale out. Relax your shoulders down and relax your hips. Beautiful. And now draw your hands at your heart center into prayer. And I'd like to share these affirmations. You can repeat after me if you want. I am whole. I am love. I am peace. I am the light. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today. And I hope to see you soon again in my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste. And feel free to leave a comment down below about this practice. I'd love to hear from all of you guys.